video. I've actually been waiting for it. It's a burgundy unit and I can't wait to get into it because I want to like do my makeup and stuff to match it. So yeah, getting straight into it. The unit came in this bag: 2 melting bands, a silk baggie, 2 HD wig caps, press on nails, tapes, and the unit. I'm excited about this unit. Look at the color. Straight out of the package, it's gorgeous. I love the color. This is a 13 by 4 lace front glueless wig. As you can see, it came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. It's a black cherry layered straight wig, 24-inch. It is a glueless unit, of course, and it's 180% density. This is gorgeous. There's no product in it, so this is straight out of the package. Look at that, pre-plucked. The hairline looks really natural. It also has an adjustable band in it. It comes in a breathable cap, and it has some combs in it, of course, to keep the unit secured. So we're gonna get straight into applying this unit. I'm going to be tinting the lace so that, of course, it looks good and natural. I'm just gonna let it dry down a bit and we're going to install it. The lace is so nice. I love this color, so nice. The lace is amazing, so I'm gonna use some holding spray just at the front. Can easily comb through it, like no tangles, and it's layered. Actually, it's layered, so I'm going to straighten it and you guys can see, but for now I haven't straightened it. It looks so good. So this is the unit. This is a 13 by 4 180% glueless cherry wig. I love the color. I even did my eyebrows to match it and my lips as well. I love how sleek it looks. It is 24 inches long and this unit is from Beautyforever hair. I love it. I love it's different from everything that I've tried. I really love the color and I actually stepped out of my comfort zone with this. I'll also put the details to this unit down below. Definitely check out Beautyforever hair. This is an amazing unit. It's lovely, it's silk, it's natural looking, and it's very easy. Glueless, comes with tapes, so you can definitely just stick it on. And once you use your lace tint or foundation on the lace, it should be easy to put on and go. The reception to heat is amazing. I just straightened it and it even looked good straight out of the package. So I really love how this unit came. I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.